Remo Stars of Nigeria are taking on Mamelodi Sundowns of South Africa in the CAF Champions League second round of the preliminaries first league. So the fixture between Nigeria's Remo Stars and South Africa's Mamelodi Sundowns in the CAF Champions League is a much different context, right? Okay. So let us look at this. So the nature of the clash, the continental contrast. The fixture is a classic match-up in African football. The emerging force, which is Remo Stars, vis-a-vis the established giant, which is Mamelodi Sundowns. Let us look at Mamelodi Sundowns, the established giant. Continental status. Sundowns are one of the most consistent dominant clubs in African football over the last decade. They are the 2016 CAF Champions League winners and 2024-25 finalists, right? And regularly reach the latter stages of the competition, often viewed as title contenders. The domestic dominance. They have an iron grip on the South African Premier Division, winning the league multiple times in a row, 8 times in a row to be specific, which allows them stability and financial power to build a strong squad. The expectation as a seeded club and continental heavyweights, the expectation is for them to progress easily against any unseeded team in the preliminary rounds. Remo Stars, the emerging force. Continental status. Remo Stars are a relatively young club, making their first forays into continental competition. Their appearance in the CAF Champions League signifies their rapid rise in Nigerian football. The domestic status, they are one of the top clubs in the competitive Nigerian Professional Football League, which is known for its passionate crowds and challenging conditions for visiting teams. The motivation, they represent a major underdog story and will be highly motivated to make a statement by defeating one of the continent's biggest names. In terms of the head-to-head, right, due to their limited time, Remo Stars have been in the continental competition. This is a feature with virtually no prior history, meaning they are meeting for the first time. Okay, so this lack of history means the upcoming two-leg affair is a blank slate with no past results to influence the present. It is a true test of their current forms and continental quality. Okay, so the two clubs are scheduled to meet in the second preliminary round, the final qualification before the group stage of the CAF Champions League, the 2025-2026 season. So the match will take place on October 19, 2025, the Sunday, at the stadium that's called Gateway Stadium. And I'm told it's a 10,000 stadium and supporters have been given free entry to that stadium. So it means it's going to be a fully packed stadium. Okay. So the winner of the two legs, so the second leg will be played on the 26th of October in South Africa at Loftus Stadium, which will be Mamelodi Sundowns' home match. The winner of this two-leg tie will advance to the lucrative and highly competitive CAF Champions League group stages. Okay. So my predictions, I'm predicting a 2-0 win for Mamelodi Sundowns. What is your prediction, guys? My name is Tebus Kosana. Go to the comment section and leave your predictions there, guys. My name is Tebus Kosana. Thank you guys for tuning in.